Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to help customers find products faster in your store? In this video, I'll show you how to use categories, tags, and filters in WooCommerce's free setup. First, categories are your main product groups. In your dashboard, go to Products Greater Than Categories. Create broad sections like clothing, electronics, or home goods. Assign each product to at least one category. This builds your store's main menu next. Tags are more specific keywords. Go to Products Greater Than Tags. Add tags like blue, cotton, wireless, or sale. You can add multiple tags to a single product to describe its details. Now, to make these useful for customers, you need filters. By default, WooCommerce shows a filter by price widget on shop pages. To add more, you'll often need a free plugin like WooCommerce Product Filters, or a theme that supports layered navigation. Once installed, you can add filter widgets for categories, tags, attributes like size or color, and price. Customers can then narrow down hundreds of products to exactly what they want. You can also use tags and categories to create smart product collections or sale pages. And that's it. Using categories for navigation, tags for details, and filters for searching creates a smooth, professional shopping experience for free. If you set up filters, let me know what customers can filter by in your store. See you in the next one.